And in Japan, as we just mentioned, these deities were introduced around 810, 820 by Saicho of the Tendai school and by Kukai of the Shingon school. And the leader of the group, the most well-known and the leader of the group is Fudo Myo-o. And his name literally moves immovable. You cannot move him. You cannot move him in his faith. He is so strong in his faith, he's like a mountain. The wind can't blow it over. So he's usually also shown standing on a rock to show that you can't move his faith. He's also shown generally with a sword called the kurikara, which is the demon-slaying sword, which cuts through ignorance. And he's also shown holding a lasso or a rope by which he can bind up evil. And he can also capture non-believers and draw them to the faith, the Buddhist faith. The Fudo Myo-o, the best known, is accompanied by 4 others, and this grouping of 5 is known as the Godai Myo-o, the Great 5 Myo-o. The Myo-o we can translate as wisdom kings, or mantra kings, or spell kings, magic spells, because the esoteric Buddhism, which arrived in Japan with their introduction to Japan, involves a lot of secret magical rituals. And in fact, the Shingon school and Tendai schools also introduced the mandala art form to Japan. And the Myo-o are especially important deities that appear in the mandala. So here we can just look very quickly. Here's Gozanze. Gozanze apparently, according to the stories, subjugated the Lord of Destruction of Hindu mythology, Siva. Siva was subjugated by Gozanze. So often we can see this statues of a Gozanze will often show a figure that he's stepping on, and the figure is Siva. In other words, Hinduism is defeated, and now those Hindu gods become Buddhist believers and then protectors of the Buddhist faith. Here Gundari Myo-o, let me see, what have I forgotten? 3 faces, 8 arms. Usually snakes are coiling around him. Here we see snakes up here. We have Daitoku Myo-o, 6 legs, 6 arms on a white cow, which is a symbol of enlightenment. He has his power to suppress evil and create good, and he fights pain and poisons. Kongo Yasha Myo-o is another one of them, 3 angry faces, 6 arms, and so on. And again, the statuary of these Myo-o, it's plentiful, but there's much more statuary of the Buddhists and the Bodhisattvas. The Myo-o are mostly prevalent in the mandala art form. Of others that not included in the Great 5, others that are relatively well known include Aizen Myo-o, the god of love, colored in red, like in America. In the West, we have Cupid with a bow and arrow. Aizen Myo-o also carries a bow and arrow, and he helps to convert. What is the right word? To pray for love and respect of other people. There are many rituals that he's involved in. He is generally shown with 3 faces, 3 eyes, and 6 arms, and holding a bunch of weapons, including a bow and arrow. And again, Daigensui Myo here with the red fiery halo. Fire is meant, again, the burning away of material desire, the burning away of impurities. Kujaku Myo-o sits on a peacock. He wards off evil from poisoning or from calamity. And Ususama Myo-o here at the very end is not only um, for easy childbirth and avoiding the impurities of childbirth, but he's also considered a god of the toilet now, the impurities of the bathroom. And you will see posters of this particular deity in some bathrooms in Japan. So essentially, the Japanese know about Fudo, this one right here, and Aizen. Those are the two most well-known of the Myo-o. And again, the Myo-o were originally Hindu deities adopted into the Buddhist pantheon who represent the wrathful compassion of the Buddha and Bodhisattva, especially of Dainichi Buddha and